Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need a few things before you begin. Level 10, the Gold Rush tutorial completed, and a Class B locomotive topped to at least 80% fuel. Once done, load 1/2 ton of dynamite in your cargo hold and set your departure for Ghost Ridge between 2000 and 400 game time. Head straight to the node and park on the southern siding. This early positioning increases spawn chances. Now initiate the local job board and select the Prospect Run option to kick things. Once you accept the Prospect Run night variant, the core sequence begins. Drive slowly, keep your speed under 30 kph through every yellow waypoint and watch for subtle tremor cues. Make sure to use the headlight low beam to spot the faint glowing cart. When you reach the cart, stop, exit the cab, and interact with the marker to plant a single charge. That detonates the ground and reveals veins. After detonation, collect ore immediately and stash it in the secure locker to prevent despawn. With ore secured, head straight to Tallman Exchange and select the fence delivery option for maximum payout. Make sure you route around known combat zones to avoid interdiction. If tracks are blocked, use the marked alternate route on your map and keep momentum, stopping risks a despawn. If the run fails, verify 3 things: enough fuel in the locomotive, you still have the correct number of charges, and that you triggered the event inside the night window. Reset, then retry with adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.